Population census in Kazakhstan 2009, the second after gaining the independence. It was conducted from 25 of February to 26 of February in 2009. The preliminary official results of the census were published on the 4th of February in 2010. The population of the Republic of Kazakhstan, according to the results of the 2009 population census, amounted to 16,000 of people, an increase of 1,000 of people compared to 1999 census. Compared to the 1990 census, there is a shift in the structure of certain age groups. The proportion of the working age population has increased, but the proportion of children has decreased. On the 1st of December 2010, in the city of Astana in Kazakhstan, after an 11-year break, the Organization of Security Cooperation in Europe summit was held on the 1st of January. The customs unions of Kazakhstan, Russia and Belarus begins to operate. The chairmanship in the OCSE passed to Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan became the first Central Asian state to receive the chairmanship in the OCSE. In addition, it is the first post-Soviet republic to fulfill this role. On the 13th of January, the 7th Asian Winter Games started in Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan was the first of the Central Asian countries to receive the rights to host the Winter Asian Games. Competitions were held in Astana and Almaty, and the 2011 Asian Games, 69 sets of medals were placed in 11 spots. On the 16th of February, the closing ceremony of the 7th Asian Games took place in Almaty. Following the closing of the 7th Asian Winter Games, Kazakhstan took the first place in the team competition, having won 70 medals, 32 gold, 21 silver and 70 bronze.
Азияда ойындарында қазақстандық саңлақтар спорттың әр түрінен 70 медальді жеңіп алып, бірінші орын алды. Бұл тәуелсіз Қазақстан тарихындағы тұңғыш әрі ең ірі спорттық шара болды.